Today, we're diving into the crucial art of making your numbers sing in Tableau, transforming bland data into compelling insights. First, let's start with our messy data visual representation of numbers that really needs a makeover. Notice how the numbers on the axis are unformatted and not easy to interpret at a glance. We'll fix that. Begin by right-clicking on the axis you want to format. This will reveal a context menu with several options. Select Format to open the formatting pane on the left side of your Tableau window. This is your command center for all things number presentation. Within the pane, you'll see a lot of options. Navigate to and click on the Numbers section. This is where we'll customize the display. Here is where your most important formatting choices exist. Explore the different number format options. Automatic is its default, but we can switch to currency for monetary data, percentage for percentages, or scientific, or choose one of the many other options. Let's apply currency formatting instantly. Our axis becomes more readable, showing the dollar sign and formatting the numbers with commas. To create even more control, we can create custom labels. Clicking Custom gives you the option to add a prefix, suffix, and formatting to the labels. You're now able to change your visuals, so it makes more sense and it highlights the true meanings of your raw data. Remember, well-formatted numbers are critical to making your data understandable with clear units of measure and correct rounding. Your charts will now convey information accurately and impact effectively, and that's all there is to it.